In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. We should be happy and success in all moments of your life. Welcome to our program. In this program, I want to give you some short information about time. What is time? Everybody says that the time is gold, so we should use it properly. Time is very important and we should not waste it. Everyone should schedule his or her in life. Everyone should know what to do in a day, in a week, in a month, and a year. If we plan well, we can use our time properly. The prayer times, exercise time, studying time, eating time, and sleeping time are very important. We have to perform all of them on time. Those who use their time will succeed in life, and those who waste their time fail. So we should know the value of time and use it usefully. Dear viewers, this is our today's topic. Have a good day. Goodbye.